literature. Good morning. Hey, good morning once again, children.
Morning, sir.
Literature, okay? A store
Yes, sir.
titled, the lesson titled A Stone Soup in Bohemia. Yes, this is a different story and really an enjoyable story. The background is foreign. The background is foreign. The content is about a foreign event, that is uh, this story is
Sir, which
related
chapter?
to
बोहेमिया मतलब
you
बोहेमिया.
know this story is related to you know some battles that were fought earlier, some some you know you know Europe was a battleground. All actually Asia was also a battleground, a war field, an arena. And in this arena, different countries, clash together. It was an armed clash, it was a military clash. So, two countries or more than two countries, they were involved in wars, battles, especially in Europe. So, there was a time period, dear children. There was a phase of time, you know, uh, in Europe where Europe was torn with battles. Battle means children. What is the meaning of battle?
सर युद्ध. सर बोहेमिया मतलब बताइए. बोहेमिया. युद्ध.
Yeah, Sangram. Sangram. Right? Yes. So,
सर बोहेमिया क्या है बोहेमिया?
and during that time, wars were great event, and people even celebrated wars. Okay, still war, a war is something devastating. It is something murderous. It is something violent because it causes bloodshed. It kills people uh, from both the sides, uh, and it was a different warfare. It was mostly actually the wars or the battles earlier on in Europe or in Asia or in other countries, children. The wars were fought, in right formation, in correct formation. 1 to 1 war was there on the battleground. Both the armies, the two, contesting armies, they confronted face to face with swords, spears, arrows, and bows, and even shelling was also done. Explosives were also done to kill people. So, during those days, some soldiers, many soldiers, they lost their lives. They lost their lives. Some, many were injured on those battlegrounds. Many soldiers
Good
were
morning, sir.
injured. Many were killed. Many were left to die, half
Good morning,
injured,
sir.
half injured. Okay. So, children, you know, uh, uh, so uh, Under such a situation, sometimes some soldiers they fled away. They run away, leaving the battleground, quitting the battleground for their life to save themselves. Okay? तो उस वक्त जब लड़ाइयाँ लड़ी जाती थी यूरोप वगैरह में, तो वो आमने सामने की लड़ाई होती थी, वो तलवार से लड़ाई होती थी। तो उसी में एक लड़ाई हो रही है, और सपोज करो लड़ाई हुई है और एक सोल्जर भाग गया, वो भटक गया। ओके, भटक गया, बहुत दिनों तक भूखे प्यासे है, कहीं खाना पीना नहीं मिल रहा है उसको, और वो तड़प रहा है भोजन के लिए, पानी के लिए और सोने के लिए। तो वैसे ही एक सोल्जर की कहानी है, और वो सोल्जर चिल्ड्रन एक ऐसी बस्ती में पहुंचा। बस्ती जानते हो बच्चे? बस्ती,
Yes.
क्या बोलते हैं बस्ती को बेटा? बोलो बेटा।
पता नहीं। बस जहाँ बहुत से लोग घर बना के रहते हैं।
एक छोटा गांव बेटा, अरे दूर दराज एरिया में एक छोटे से गांव को, गरीबों के गांव को, गरीब लोगों के, आदिवासियों के, अशिक्षित लोगों के दूर दराज जंगल के किनारे पहाड़ी में, उस गांव को बस्ती बोलते हैं, और इंग्लिश में उसको बोलते हैं, बोलो इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Hamlet, a settlement far away from the mainstream life of people living in a town or city. So, a settlement in a hilly area, in a forested area where poor people live. So, that settlement is called hamlet. Okay? तो वो छोटे से एक गांव में पहुंचा। उस गांव के लोग बड़े ही विचित्र थे। उस गांव के मकान, झोपड़ियां, उनका जो घर था बेटा, वो भी विचित्र ढंग से बना हुआ था। वो बिल्कुल विचित्र गांव था, विचित्र लोग, विचित्र बिहेवियर। Actually, that was a hamlet with strange people, strange houses, strange huts and cottages in which they live. And this soldier running away from a battleground happens to get to that hamlet, and he is trying to persuade people. He wants their some bread, some water and some rest. Okay, but the people, they are very unfriendly. The people of the hamlet are unfriendly. लोग कैसे हैं बेटे? वहां के लोग कैसे हैं? हाँ, वो बहुत अनफ्रेंडली हैं, और बिल्कुल एकदम स्ट्रेंज लोग हैं। तो वो उसको वहां देखना नहीं चाहते हैं। कहते हैं कि भागो हमारे इलाके से, हमारे गांव से भागो तुम, हम तुम्हें यहाँ रहने नहीं देंगे। हम लोगों का ये एरिया है, हम लोग बाहरी को यहाँ घुसने नहीं देते हैं। सो लेट अस नो मच मोर by reading this strange but interestingly strange story. Okay children, so come on, open. It is at page number 35. See the visual, right?
37.
It is page number. What is the page number in your book, children? There.
Page number 37.
In my book, children, it is page number 35. It is an old book, children. It is, and see the picture.
Yes.
See the visual. Okay. Stone soup. अच्छा, प्री रीडिंग टास्क स्टोन सूप इन बोहेमिया चैप्टर 6. इसमें एक्सरसाइजेज नहीं करने हैं बेटे आपको. इसमें वो हैं कुछ हैं या एक्सरसाइजेज हैं. सॉरी हैं. तो कम ऑन चिल्ड्रेन, प्री रीडिंग टास्क. एक बच्चा एक ही बार में पढ़ेगा. सुनो, पहले ध्यान दो रीडिंग का. नहीं, पहले ध्यान से सुनो मुझे. लिसन. एक बच्चा कम से कम 10 लाइन पढ़ेगा, 10 लाइन्स. और दूसरा बच्चा भी 10 ही लाइन्स पढ़ेगा. ध्यान से उसको फॉलो करो, मैं भी फॉलो करूँगा. और एक बार में 2 बच्चे नहीं पढ़ेंगे. दिस इज रीडिंग टाइम. वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड अ लॉट बाय रीडिंग इट इंडिविजुअली. एम आई राइट? Individual reading. Yeah, personalized reading. This is personalized reading session. So let us enjoy it. One student start. कोई भी open करो, reading को open करो. कोई एक start हो जाओ. Yeah.
In the old days, soldiers returning around in the countryside. They depended.
One.
In
कोई
Europe,
एक.
in the old
हाँ.
days, soldiers returning from war
Yes,
used
okay.
to roam around the countryside. They depended partly upon the kindness of the populace and partly, as we shall see in this tale, upon this their own sharp wits. 3 or 4 centuries ago in Bohemia, a soldier reached a small village. It was a dry, fed, bare kind of place, but he walked into the village square and unloaded his merge kit, a rough leather pack, a horsehair blanket, and an iron cauldron, which he carried on his back like a hump. Stretching himself, loosening his coat, and taking his boots off, he settled down on the pavement for the night.
Next
Almost at
reader.
once he felt
Next.
Almost at once he felt a certainly hostility among the passers-by, a grumpy resentment. I suppose you think we are going to feed you, said one sly old man, leaning on his stick as he watched the soldier. Well, I will have you know, young man, that I am a burgomaster of the village, and I will tolerate no good for the nothings here. We have mouths of our own to think of. Do you hear me, young man? Said this horrid person. The soldier heard to all feared, if only because the burgomaster was not belonging at the top for his voice, and little crowd that had gathered around him was ignoring his word.
with every sign of approval. Not a bean will I give him. A woman with a wart on her nose was saying, not a single peapod. We are respectable flock here, said another. Soon the whole square was murmuring disagreeably, and soldier might well have been forgiven if he had felt a little despondent. In fact, he was not disheartened at all, for he was extremely cheerful. He stripped off his red cap, made a mock bow to the assembly, winked at the woman with a wart on her nose, and said, all right, friends, all right, Mr. Burgomaster, sir. Don't worry, I won't ask a thing of you. I will just spend the night here, if I may, minding my own business, and in the morning I will be on my way. I know how you all feel, and I don't blame you for it. We are old soldiers. We may be nonsense sometimes. No, don't you worry. I will just clean up my cauldron, and he rubbed the inside of the pot in a desultory sort of way with a spotted handkerchief. Just prepare the crockery and make myself a nice blow of stone soup.
Okay, that's Next
out
reader.
he do not out putting them into the cold room. He feel it was required from the village pump and a fire
एक बच्चा
and settle down upon the ground to wait for the fire of the villagers to settle down upon the ground to wait for the बहुत सारे पद समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
one reader at a time. One reader at a time.
सर एक ही साथ बोलने
कॉलोनी पढ़ रही है तुम लोग चुप रहो.
One reader, children.
man
Yeah,
just
one reader.
slowly शांत रहो.
35 खोलिए ना.
What kind of stones was he a man?
मैं तभी मत बोलो.
Who has ever heard of such a discolored sword?
खुद ही तभी
Ran the
चुप रहो.
murmur मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा है. The square.
कोई चुप रहो.
Yeah. Next reader. All right then.
सर पेज नंबर 35 में एक वर्ड है सर, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन पूछना है सर. वो सेकंड पैरा के रफ लेदर के पहले है
क्या कौन?
सर. MEAGRE.
इस इस किधर है बताओ. स्पेलिंग बोलो. स्पेलिंग.
MEAGRE.
हाँ.
MEAGRE.
मियागा.
मीनिंग
What is the meaning of that?
Miyaga means little bit, nominal,
Meaning of that?
very little, nominal, very low, little. Yes. Go ahead. पढ़ो. अगला reader. Yeah.
All right then. Save the food. Saving the pot with the wooden spoon. Do not upset yourself.
क्या होता है?
Just a little prehistorical recipe I picked up in the foreign presented it to me by a son in graduate for my having saved his life when threatened by wild elephants. These two stones have the power to brew for me the mouth-watering soup that ever a man tasted. Stone soup from China. And taking a little of water in his soup, he sipped it with a reliance. Coming along very nicely, said he. While the peasant watched in baffled silence, this is the very same soup that Alexander drank the night before he stormed by the pyramid. Stone soup from China, the soup for heroes. You all look a friendly lot of people. I like your faces. Suppose I make a bit extra for you. The cauldron is big enough, just a bite more water. That's it. Stoke up the fire, give it a stir, ardent enough for us all to have. A bowl full. The citizens were taken aback. Are you trying to tell me, said the burgomaster severely, that all
Yes.
you need to make your soup is just those two stones and a pot full of water? That's all, sir, replied the soldier. Nothing more, no less. Tell you what, stone soup is even better, even more breathtakingly wonderful. With just a pinch of garlic or of a carrot brings out the flavor. You know, cauliflower is the next.
ये बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ ली.
चलो. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay. Properly.
Anybody got a bit of green stuff to throw in? Now while I make sure the stones are fermenting properly. The peasants look at each other sheepishly and suspiciously. Nobody wanted to move first. Nobody wanted to admit his curiosity. Nobody wanted to make a fool of himself. But suddenly a common impulse overcome them all. Well, they say, just a piece or two could not do any harm. A handful of peas, a pair of tomatoes, stone soup, after all, was something new in their lives, and they might as well make the most of it. One
started to invent carrots and onions and peas until the bread was marvelously thick and fragrant.
Okay,
And you could
stop.
not see-
Stop. Next reader. Go ahead.
And you
See
Meaning of
two
crab.
stones for the bubble and
क्रैब मतलब
richness
क्या
of
होता है?
splendid.
सर
Said the
क्रैब मतलब क्या होता है?
बाद में बताऊंगा, सब बाद में. अभी रीडिंग है. Listen children, no question. This is not question hour. Reading hour is, this is reading hour continuing. To let us enjoy it. After reading, I will summarize it and then I will give you word meaning and everything, explanation, paraphrasing, correlation, everything. Children, so step by step, have patience. Yeah.
And you could not see those two stones for the bubble and richness of it. Splendid, said the shoulder. Oh, what a dinner we are going to have, one and all of us, in this benevolent and hospitable village. It is not every night of the week that you have stone soup in Bohemia. Mr. Burgomaster, sir, and thus carrying them along with a joke for an old woman, a dig at a portly merchant, a little flattery for the Burgomaster, and a flood of anecdotes. The soldier had all anecdote. The soldier had all the citizens sitting around him, wondering and expectant until at last the soup was ready. Its moisturizing vapors were wafting around the square. A pile of bowls had appeared, and they all sat on the paving stones, the soldier in the middle, spinning the stuff with infinite satisfaction.
Sipping the stuff with infinite satisfaction. That's all. Good. थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो रीडिंग पर, थोड़ा वर्ड को देखो और उनको करेक्टली रीड करो. करेक्टली चिल्ड्रेन. ओके. अब लिखा हुआ है ओवरकेम. ओवरकेम तो तुमने ओवरकम पढ़ दिया. फिर लिखा है सिपिंग तो तुमने स्पिंग पढ़ दिया. लिखा है सस्पिशसली. सस्पिशसली तो तुम कुछ और पढ़ी. तो थोड़ा ध्यान दो बेटे, भागने की जरूरत नहीं है, हड़बड़ाओ मत. ओके. improve your reading skills by the hour, by the day, by the week, and one day you will be a good reader, a smart reader. चलो last reader, finish it. Finish the last part of the story.
Who prided themselves on knowing the food. Magnificent, said the portly merchant, who was very fond of eating. Really tasty, I must say, observed the woman with the watch on the nose. On the top of the great box, did you say? Asked one youth with his mouth full. Alexander the Great, do you mean? Queried another. Stone soup, said the last of them, all talking at once. What a miracle! What